Look, this is from Aunt Jean and Jacob. Let's see what's in there.
I sit it here.
Sit it there and look in there. It's a card.
It's a puppy card.
What does it say? It's Halloween. Look, let's see what it says. It's Halloween. Hope it's just full of surprises and fun. Love, Aunt Jean and Jacob. Look, and it's a bib for brother. What else is in there? Oh, a little spook.
What did he do?
He's just a little decoration. Look, we can hang him up. What is that? Is that a pretty sparkle sticker? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say happy Halloween.